Once you have paired your Garmin watch with a smartphone, you may check the weather information of your current location. If the weather information does not show on the watch, you may try the following steps to solve this problem. Confirm the Garmin device is paired and connected to the phone through the Garmin Connect app. Confirm the Bluetooth setting on your smartphone and your Garmin device is turned on. For GPS-capable Garmin devices, start an outdoor activity and briefly step outdoors to acquire GPS signal. Make sure the Garmin Connect app is open and or running in the background to receive weather information. If it does not show up on the watch, please following steps to solve this problem. Remove the device on Garmin Connect mobile app. Forget this device and reconnect Bluetooth on your phone again. Pair device with Garmin Connect Mobile. Here, we are now show you how to set up the weather information with two mobile systems. Select Privacy on your phone. Enter Location Services. Make sure that Location Services is on. Allow location access on Weather. And Connect. For Android system, turn on Location. Go to Settings and enter Apps. Allow location access on Weather and Connect. By following all these steps, your watch will show the weather information of your current location when it receives satellite signals. For more help, please go to support.garmin.com.